I think that I shall never see a poem lovely as a tree, a tree whose hungry mouth is spread against the earth's sweet flowing breast, a tree that looks at God all day and lifts her leafy arms to pray. A tree that may in summer wear a nest of robins in her hair, upon whose bosom snow is laid,